Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina's Craft. Today I want to show you the flip through of the Lapbook that I've created the tutorial a couple of weeks ago, even month, and I've been decorating the pages inside to give you some page inspiration, and I will keep doing some page inspiration to complete that playlist, but it won't be part of this junk journal. So I consider I'm done with this Lapbook, which is a 4 signature junk journal inside, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop. So I'm doing the whole flip through now to show you. So you can, of course, you can go back in the Lapbook playlist and see all the steps to create this big Lapbook from scratch, right from cardboards and papers and fabric. So it's a design team project for Crafty Me Shop as well. All the laces there are Crafty Me Shop. So if you wonder, Crafty Me Shop sells beautiful vintage and new laces only through a Facebook group. And so you need to join the Facebook group. You need to contact her to give her your email address so she can invoice you through PayPal. And then when you order at the end of the sale, which is every weekend, she lists all the item on Facebook, one item per item, and she put the price of the item, and you just write down a comment if you want some. And at the end of the sale, she accumulates everything you commented and send you an invoice, and if paid right away, it's shipped right away. All right, enough for Crafty Me Shop. Look at that. So I've been showing you the cover in the meantime, but I just want to come back with some cheesecloth, grade 90. Some of my dressing room kit printed on fabric with the little words there on paper that I stitched. And for the spine, I just added that cute applique, and I've created that tassel with her laces. All Crafty Me Shop laces except the chiffon silk. So let me put the tassel this way so you can see. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. And giving you a close-up here. So how I do that, there's a tutorial on how I do my tassel and how I attach them. They are sewn. And then I add some chiffon silk tulle, and for this time I've added that kind of lace with the beads. And at the back, it's my Reading Passion digital kit with the green stripes, Crafty Me Shop laces, and again, Crafty Me Shop laces on both. So it holds like that for now. I won't include any closure because you have room to add a lot there, and you might want to keep it like that. You know, you can put it on a shelf like that and it holds. But if you need a closure, I would just wrap it with a piece of fabric, a chiffon silk, a sari silk, any lace, white, beige, any matching green or pink. That would work. So when you open the Lapbook, which is big, and I'm going to show you one section by a section, you have, let's start with the left here. So you have a little flip like that. You have that gorgeous lace. And then when you open like that, this is just cute paper. Let me show you. This is just cute paper. The polka dot and the roses from the Reading Passion kit. I'm going to put all the link to my digitals in the description below. And then it's just coffee stained tracing paper that has been coffee stained. Lots of ruffle fabric or paper. Just an addition there with my legal size paper, and I've added some labels there so you can do some journaling there. At the back of this page, you can insert more papers there as well. Here, that was one of the page inspiration where you have a pocket behind that, and it's just a cute piece of typewriter paper, a vintage one. It's all yellowish by age, not because of ink, and I've put one of those little cards in it. And in order to attach this on the side, which is just a bunch of papers, I've added like a little bow of that fancy yarn there that you can grab from Claire Scrap Forever. I'll put the link in the description below for this little yarn there. A wedding applique, wedding dress applique. Paper ruffle, I love those music sheets. And again, here it's just a page, but this time I just glued two sides like that, so you can use it as a talk spot. And it's just printed on tracing paper and inked on the sides. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, so you have, of course, you have journaling place there. And you could just add more and more. It's endless. Gorgeous paper printed with the design printed with the coffee. My favorite fabric. And here that was another page inspiration idea. So it's kind of a pocket there, and I've included a card like that. A little tab there. Here it's another page inspiration where it's an envelope that I converted into a pocket, sliding a cute piece of paper, music sheet, and a card there. True elegance, because that Lily Elsie is really elegant. All right. Here you can kind of slide something behind when you decorate the page. Button, ruffle. Here it's a cute corner pocket, but you can lift it so you have a secret spot for journaling. This is a really old and vintage doily corner, and a wax seal with kind of a tiny tall journal, tall and slim journal, but just sewn with the machine, with that dressing room kit for the slim journal pages. Ruffle there, and that's the bottom of that side, so you have a linen thread there, and it's kind of a flip like that. There's a whole tutorial for that one with that Lapbook series. You have a pocket there, you can open like that, you have another pocket there, and then you have that flip. I love it. All right, and then the closure is with that little linen thread. Now, if I open the other side just to show you the middle, it's laces with printed on fabric, hair, little bow, beads. All gorgeous. And then I'll show you the other side. So for the other side, it's one of my digital kits for the little houses. So I've created a house with the kit. The chimney is just a little lace there. And I've created kind of a booklet with a ton of coffee stain papers that are the same dimension than the little house, matching the roof. And I attached all of that so you can slide it like that and do your journaling, and or you can just flip through like this, you know, and it's just attached with a brad on a piece of cardboard that kind of flips because it's attached with those two fabrics there. So here you go. And this is the same, it's the matching, and this is the matching lace with this side. Look at that. So you have a flip on both, but it's a little bit different. All right. So you can flip, and it's similar to the other side, the same papers, same lace, and then you flip like that. So gorgeous, design printed on coffee stain. It's my shabby roses kit. And here you have a chiffon silk, a little secret pocket there with a little pad. These are papers that we can remove, but they're part of the decoration of the page as well. And this page is part of the page inspiration series. There's a whole playlist on my channel where you have an idea of page, and I do it on camera with you. Another flip like that. I love that. These are the legal size paper that you can print on legal size paper, but you can print on regular paper like letter size paper or A4 paper. But you do, instead of fill the page in the printing option, you select shrink to fit, so it will keep the proportion and will just reduce the whole digital. So you can print the whole page like this, see, but smaller automatically. I didn't create any pockets here except that here at this edge you have a pocket, and I've included 2 cards. All right, let's keep going on. Here you have some modeling paste. Those cute flowers, it's really cute. It's 3D. Here, that's another page inspiration. So it's just a pocket with my Polaroid type of photo wedding kit, and with some of the vintage laces from Crafty Me Shop, just little tiny bits here and there. And this is just a paper reproduction on a really thin paper, and I attached some lace. It's just stapled there with the label. It's really cute. I love it. Here it's another little stash of cute papers attached with a brad, adding some little decorations with laces, and that's it. You attach it with a paper clip. Here, that's another idea. It's the same. This This is a teacher's contract. It's a French vintage document reproduction, and I printed it on a really thin paper. That is the letter size paper, and I did the option when I printed the fit to page, so you have the whole legal size paper, which is 8.5 by 14, that printed on 8.5 by 11, and it makes it small like that. So this allows me to glue it on a page because it's smaller than a page, and it's awesome, eh? And I just added the picture of the teacher, and it's her contract as a teacher. I don't think there's pockets there. Yeah, no. So you can do some journaling at the back, or I could have printed both sides, because this kit, you can really print both sides. You have the same kit, you can print it in green like this one, pink, blue, or a grayish blue, which is the original color. And then you have the inside, which is like the same color, really plain, the same color with those borders, or you have the real contract reproduction. Here, look at that. I love this Crafty Me Shop lace. Really, really cute, and I just cut portions of it. I added some buttons, and it holds well on the page, and it really does a good decoration. I didn't glue it totally, just a line there, so you can add a paper and tuck it behind. Here it's another corner pocket with a secret spot for journaling, and I've just added some papers and the lace. It's just a stash of 3-4 papers that you love, a brad, and then you add a little lace. I did a tutorial about those a few months ago. I'll try to put it in the description if I can remember. And this is just a booklet of little scraps. Again, I did a craft with me for that. And this is one of my kits. It's a lace holder. So I just put a little tiny piece of that fancy yarn. That's another page inspiration. So you have a pocket here. That's it. It's just a pocket, and I put a card there. Just like that. And that's it. Here at the back you have a pocket here, and you have the bags, and I totally forgot to add something, so this will be a surprise. Alright, so that is the Lapbook. This Lapbook won't be cheap. It took me hours and hours and hours, and the laces on it is not cheap as well. So it won't be cheap, but it's a collection, and if someone wants it, perfect. Otherwise, I'll just keep it, I guess. But yeah, don't be surprised if you find it a little bit too expensive. It's really because I've put really a lot of hours there, and it contains a ton of gorgeous laces, fancy laces, and beaded laces, and all the stuff. So it adds quickly, and it's a 4 signatures, so it's not small. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it inspires some of you. You have the whole playlist with the tutorial on how to create all this Lapbook from scratch, and I'll put the series in the description below for you to find easily. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.